One road, many lives. Drive like every life matters. Every time you merge onto a highway, whether in the United States, Canada, Australia, or across Europe, you join a river of stories. A soldier returning home, a child headed to their first soccer game, a nurse finishing a night shift. Behind every wheel is a beating heart, trusting that you will drive with care. Highways across developed nations run fast and smooth. But safety isn't just about good infrastructure. It's about good intentions. Respect the speed. In places like Germany's Autobahns, certain stretches have no limits. But discipline is sacred. In the US and Canada, speed limits are enforced to save lives. Don't race time. Drive to arrive. Stay focused. Distractions are deadly everywhere, whether you're on Melbourne's M1 or California's I-5. A text message isn't worth a tragedy. Your eyes, hands, and mind must stay on the road. Space is safety. Tailgating isn't just illegal in places like the UK or Japan, it's inhumane. Leave room. Give others grace. A few seconds of patience could prevent a lifetime of regret. Weather is universal. Rain in London, snow in Toronto, fog in Sydney. No matter the country, nature demands respect. Slow down. Use your lights. Don't fight the elements. Adapt to them. Drive with heart. No matter where you're driving, you're never alone. Roads connect more than places. They connect lives. Whether it's a stranger on the freeway or a loved one waiting at home, every safe mile is a shared victory. So wherever you are, drive not just with skill, but with soul. Because in the end, true success is this: we all made it home. Every time you take the driver's seat, you hold more than just a steering wheel. You hold futures, hopes, and lives. Whether you're in bustling New York, peaceful Vancouver, vibrant Sydney, or quiet countryside roads, the responsibility remains the same. Protect life. Slow down. Stay alert. Be kind. Let every mile you drive reflect compassion, not just control. You don't just drive a vehicle, you guide a journey. And if at the end of that journey everyone gets home safely, then you haven't just driven well, you've made the world a little better. Drive safe, drive human.